Are you audible?
Yes, sir.
See, yesterday we discussed with actually Euler's homogeneous equation with the variable coefficient. D square means I told x square, d cube means x cube. If it is not there, means you have to bring then x is equal to e power z, z is equal to log x, then x square d square become d dash into d dash minus 1, x d is equal to d dash. Similarly with the linear coefficient, ax, that is a plus bx means no problem. A plus bx whole cube d cube means what? B cube into d dash minus 1 d dash minus 2 get. Suppose if it is minus means what? Minus 1 power n we can use always. This how you write actually, this you can write x is equal to e power log of a plus bx will get. Then this suppose if it is x power n d power n means what you will get? Minus 1 plus suppose minus means nothing will happen. B power n d dash minus 1 up to power n means what? N minus 1 you will get. D dash of minus 1 n minus 1. Suppose if it is cube means what? D dash minus 1 d dash minus 2. But 3 factors you will get. Cube is 3 factors, n is n factors because this is d minus 0, you know, n is n factors. Suppose if it is minus means what? Then extra one term you can remember. You don't get up to n powers, max the second degree only you will get. This what you will get? Minus 1 power n, b power n. So minus 1 power odd is what? Minus 1 power odd is what? Minus 1 power minus. So odd power of means what you will get? Minus. Even means plus you will get. That is the thing. So you will write same story. Minus means carefully you can write. Suppose if it is cube means what you will get actually, just say a minus bx whole cube, b cube become what? Minus 1 power b, that is minus b cube d dash minus 1 d dash minus 2. Suppose a minus bx whole square, even means always positive, so b square. Then a minus bx into d means what you will get? Minus b d dash. This you can remember. So the linear shape means you can remember like this. Just note down if you want.
Sir,
Yes.
so have you uploaded the Unit 3 PPT or anything?
I will do today. Just in message, you can meet our group. One message you can give me. It is
Okay,
there
sir.
already. I'm writing every day. So lot of work is there. Now also I started one meeting and I came here.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Meeting everything continuous work I'm forgetting. But in our after class, it can just stick and remaining me in our group
Okay,
actually
sir.
notes.
Sure, sure.
When I will upload up to that, you can irritate me. Notes like this. Okay.
Sir,
Okay,
will
sir.
you post some videos about this chapter unit?
Started, sir. I will do. Not it started. What problem I'm doing? See, this is a very good problem. How you will do? Something disturbance is there, 1 by x is there, 1 by x square is there. Suppose if you take a hiless homogeneous equation is what d square means I need x square, but x square not there. Dy by x means x is there, not there. So what you will do this equation totally?
Multiply by x square
Multiply
on
by
both
x
sides.
square.
Very good. Multiply by x square. Okay, I can see this x square, you can bring this side. Okay. Multiply by x square, that is the correct term actually mathematically. So what you will get, this fellow is what? X square in one stroke I am writing, d square I am skipping, plus xd y is equal to what? 12 log x. Now you can start, what you will write? Substitution is what? What is substitution?
Put x equals to e to the power z
Z is
and
equal
z
to,
equals to ln x.
very good. Log x, not log. When you call log, you can tell. What x is equal to e power z, which implies z is equal to log x. But this fellow become what? X square d square become d dash into d dash minus 1. Xd d dash. Now go back and substitute. This is actually this equation. If you go back and substitute in 1, what you will get? D dash minus 1 plus d dash into y. Log x become what? Log x become what?
Z.
Z. So this is what? Solution. So this you can remember y in terms of z. Independent variable is here z. Okay. So this if we simplify, what you will get? D dash whole square minus d dash plus d dash. What is my CF? What is my CF?
C1 plus C2Z.
C1 plus C to Z, that is very, very important. Don't tell X actually, because Y in terms of Z, that you can keep in mind is C1 plus C to Z e power 0 Z. Okay, this is equal to what? Cf. You can keep. Now, what is my Pi? Pi is what? The operator can bring down actually. This is like, suppose if it is in f of x means can bring. So f of x means this can bring. So 12z by d dash also. Then what? Tell me. Any idea? Tell me, yeah. D of f of x means what I told? D by dx into f of x. 1 by d into f of x means what I told? Integral of f of x dx I told you, know. So 1 by d dash whole square means what? D dash nothing but d by dash it only. So then what you will do? All of you there are not right or wrong, something you can speak out. Then only I am happy. There are not all of you.
Yes, sir.
Then speak something wrong also, no problem. 1 by d dash means what you will do? Actually, polynomial means 1 plus f of d and 1 minus f of d. You can prepare, bring it to numerator, whole power minus 1, you can attack. But here no 1 is there, so what you will do? One already I told you. Now from this you can tell.
Pi equal to 6z square.
What you will get? First you can do one time you can integrate. Z integration what you will get? Z square by 2. Then another time if you integrate, சொல்லப்பா ஆமா தெரியும் நானே கொடுத்தேன் நான் பண்ண முடியாது சவதா பண்ணணும் லாகின் பண்ணல அவர் பேச தெரியலையே நான் என்ன பண்ண முடியும் ரீநேம் பண்ண சொல்லு ஹோஸ்ட் பண்ண சொல்லி பண்ணலாம் அவர் ரீநேம் பண்ண சொல்லு கிளாஸ் புதுதான் தப்பு நான் என்ன பண்ண முடியாது அவர் வாய்ஸ் வீடியோ ஆன் பண்றாரு அப்ப யாருக்காவது போன் பண்ண சொல்லுங்க நான் பண்ண முடியாது இப்போ ஹோஸ்ட் வந்து ஏதாவது இல்லை பிரபாக் போன் பண்ண சொல்லுங்க பிரபாகருக்கு போன் பண்ண சொல்லுங்க கிளாஸ்ல இருக்கேன் நான் வரேன் ரைட் y is equal to CA plus PA you can write வரேன் டிஸ்டர்ப் பண்ண மீட்டிங்ல விட்டுட்டு அதை பார்த்துக்கலாம். அவர் சொல்லுவார் கணேஷ், ஒன்றும் பிரச்சனை இல்லை. நம்ம டிஸ்டர்ப் பண்ண தெரியாம மட்டும் கொலாப்ஸ் பண்ணுவார். முதல்ல பண்ணணும். உங்களுக்கு தெரியாம இப்போ நடுவில் பேசி கொலாப்ஸ் ஆகிடுறது. So x square d square y by dx square plus x into d y by dx plus y is equal to log x into sin of log x. So this survival rate, this in operator shape, if I write x square d square plus x t plus 1 into y is equal to log x of sin of log x. So now we can substitute it. N is equal to log x, then implies x square d square becomes d dash minus 1. X d become d dash. Then go back and substitute it. Then what will get CF? Tell me. What is the CF?
C1 cos Z plus C2 sin Z.
What? C1 cos Z plus C2 sin Z. Don't tell exactly Z only. Now come to the PI. Z sin Z by T square plus 1. Now already I told you X sin X or X cos X means we do. Actually another type also there. Sin X you can write as a e power iz into real complex part of imaginary part of e power iz evaluate. Otherwise another type is there. How you only x power 1 means we can write. Which method you want to follow, just you can do. I wait and tell you. So this how can you write? Imaginary part of sin z how can I write? E power iz. So z into e power iz by d square plus 1. So the whole probably can bring imaginary part till if you select the imaginary part. Finally you will get one complex part a plus ib shape. In that you can choose only imaginary part. Now what you do? Anything e power ax into f of x means what? Take outside e power ax, change d by d plus a. So in e power iz means what you write? Change d by what you write? Take e power iz, what you write? How you write? E power ax f of x we done or not? So e power iz if you take, how you will get?
D plus I.
D plus I. Change d by d plus I. So this fellow become, but you should not forget imaginary part. We are entered into the complex part, imaginary part of e power iz z by. Now simplify. D square plus 2ib plus I square. Plus I square is what? Minus 1. Then plus 1. Now which you will take common? What term you will take common now? I want to write 1 plus f of d or 1 minus f of d. Which term you will take common outside? What term you will take common? All of you there or not?
Sir?
All of what term you will take common?
Sir, I have a doubt actually.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, in the second last step, you have written 2d square plus 2id minus 1.
Yes. I square is what?
Okay, yeah. Okay.
I square I written minus 1 directly. If you want another
Okay,
step,
sir.
you can write d square plus 2id plus I square plus 1. Next step you
Okay.
can write.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
What you will do now? Actually, I want 1 plus f of d or 1 minus f of d. How you will do? Take 2id outside. You should not forget imaginary part. Continuously till answer how to write. 2id if you take outside. 1 plus what you get d by 2y. Here polynomial degree is what z power 1. So how many times I can differentiate? How many times I can able to differentiate? One time. Second time become vanish. So d power 1 only valid. If I expand my infinite series, I may go infinite terms actually, but only first term alone valid. So plus into minus alternative plus minus dqy. If you want, you can write plus what you get d by 2y whole square. No need to simplification because d square of z is waste. Here itself waste becomes 0. So this is valid up to here. So what I will get? Two ID z into 1 z differentiation of z 1 minus 1 by then 1 by d means what integration do. Up to here, okay? So up to here, okay. So z x sin x or x cos x means you have to do like this. There I have not done actually, just I given introduction, I left. Anyway, this problem we do, so I hope that I left there. Now I'm explaining how to do. 1 by d means integrated. Z means what? Z square by 2. 1 means z I will get. So still problem is there. I'm writing imaginary part, imaginary part. I want to bring this whole term as a complex number. In that, I want to take imaginary part. Up to here, okay? Any problem?
So can you explain the second last step, please?
Which is that this side, huh?
Yes, sir. No,
Okay.
the
This
one
side.
which you write. Yes, sir.
Wait. This I am coming here. This is what 1 plus x whole power minus 1 means what? Plus into minus means alternative plus minus. 1 minus x plus x square minus x2 up to infinity will go. Correct? But here z power is what? 1.
1.
So I can do one time only differentiation. So d of z only varied. D square means what? Two different differentiation. Waste.
0. Yes,
So
sir.
from here, my infinite series will go up to infinite terms, but always what I will get 0, 0, 0, 0. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So from here vanish. This term alone stands. So 1 into z is z.
Yes.
1 by 2i d of z. 1.
Okay. Yes, sir.
1 by 2i. So here 1 by 2i d is there. But this part only can write. Then 1 by d means what? Integration or not?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
z is what? 1 time z square by 2. This 1 by 2 is constant. So constant into z. So z by 2i.
Okay, sir.
Any problem?
No, sir. Thank you.
Then A denominator I means what? I cannot say complex number. That also if you want you can change. Multiply by, divide by also you can do. Yeah. Multiply by, divide by means what will get? Here just I am multiplying by, divide by. I have no right to change the problem. I can do the magic. So I am multiplying I, dividing by. So minus 2 I will get. I square is minus 1. Correct? Any problem? Multiplying I, conjugate is multiplying I, dividing by I. So I square is what? Minus. Here one I will come. Correct? So if you want this 2 also you can take outside. Take this I inside. Minus 4 also top you can make work. I 6 square minus 6. But E for IZ, who is E for IZ? Euler's formula or Euler's formula. Who is E for I and theta? From where I brought actually imaginary part of E for IT IZ like this. Who is E for I and theta formula, sir? Euler's formula. Complex number in plus 2 are studied or not? De Moivre's theorem, Euler's function. E for I and theta is equal to what? Cos and theta plus I sin theta, can I write or not? Sin z I written E for I, imaginary part of E for I z. Actually my problem is sin z. So sin z I transfer what? Imaginary part of E for I z. Correct? So in that E for I z only sin z only I need. Real part not required. So minus 4 something I did, I know. Here what we got. Then multiply this complex number, 2 complex number multiply means what? You will get real and imaginary part. In that you can take imaginary part. Multiply means what you are getting, tell me. Real part is what? Minus z cos z, then minus z square sin z. It's a real part. Plus I into imaginary part, what you will get? Z square cos z minus z sin z. Correct or not? So this is real part, this is imaginary part. I am writing imaginary part of imaginary part of. In that take only imaginary part. Now we can leave this term up to that you can write imaginary part, imaginary part. So this is equal to what? Minus 1 by 4 Now I don't want to write imaginary part because I am taking this whole complex number. Imaginary part alone I am taking. So here I left. Up to that I will maintain imaginary part, imaginary part. I take only imaginary part. I want to tell up to here. So the for last position, if I get the whole complex number, in that I will take imaginary. Not only that, if you prepare complex number means what always you can prepare A plus IB shape. Don't keep in denominator. That also can keep in mind. So this is what PI. Now solution is equal to what? Y is equal to CA plus PI. What is my CF? What is my CF?
C1 cos Z plus C2 sin Z.
Very good. This step okay, yeah? Because sin Z I am writing imaginary part of e power I Z. Again, old story. X into e power ax means then similarly imaginary part, till if I get the whole complex number, up to that I am maintaining imaginary part of, then if I get finally one complex number, in that I am taking alone imaginary part, then I will stop because what I am taking imaginary part, so my answer is correct. So what's that? C1 cos Z, C2 sin Z, minus 1 by 4 also, minus also if you take inside means what we get, plus 1 by 4 Z sin Z minus Z square cos Z. No, still not complete, sorry. Z I introduced where x is equal to e power Z and Z is equal to log x. Just you can mention this. This problems you can try actually. Here, linear introduction. So what you will do, same story. Here minus only danger, plus means no problem. X quotient also 1, nothing will happen. Suppose x quotient anything means what? That also you have to write 2 square, 3 square like this. All you can recall once if you see the problem, just you can recall what you want to do. Over cos. Sorry, log of 1 plus 6. Then what will you tell me? Better you can write here. Coefficient 1 also you can write 1 square, then only you can remember some story is there. As this one. Then this whole thing become what? 1 square into d dash minus 1 plus d dash plus 1 into y is equal to 4 cos z. Nice problem. D dash whole square minus d dash plus d dash plus 1 into y is equal to 4 cos z. D dash control. There 159 is there. Yesterday video record is with you 159. Just you can give me permission and do download, send me. Just you can make me a download. Actually already linked with me. Give me permission to download. I can download 159.
Yes, sir. Yes, okay, sir. I will.
Just there you can go in your Google Drive. Just in my mail ID is share like this means what something they'll ask editor or Warner. Warner make me Warner. I will make it download here and again upload. Okay.
Okay, sir.
M is equal to plus or minus I. So what is my CF? Very danger. Here also cos Z is there, there also cos Z. Guarantee denominator will be 0 case of fails. So PI is equal to what? What you will write actually put D dash whole square is equal to minus 1. But this implies what? 4 cos z by 0, not allowed. So what we told, if denominator 0 comes, means introduce one x in numerator, differentiate with respect to d in denominator. Now here, who will introduce here? What term you will introduce
Z.
in
Z.
x? What you will introduce? Numerator.
Z.
Very good. So don't confuse. In customarily, don't write x like this. Actually, here in terms of z is there. One z can introduce, then differentiate with respect to d dash in denominator. Correct? Huh? So not allowed. What I will do? 4z by cos z into 2dd dash 2z by cos z by d dash. Now 1 by d dash means what? Integration with respect to z. So cos z integration is what? Cos z integration is what?
Minus sin z.
Minus sin z. Correct, sir? I don't know. Tell me properly.
Sin Z.
Sin or minus sin?
Sin.
Then sin z differentiation?
Cos.
Sin z integration. Just cos.
Minus cos.
Actually, what you know, integration means anti-differentiation. Taking the answer, if you differentiate means what, you have to get the question. It is a integration. So, what you will get? Sin z. Sin z, if you differentiate means what, again cos z you will get. So, no problem. Only sin z only. So, I am writing sin z, okay, yeah. No minus sin z. Confirm.
Yes, sir.
P8. So now solution is what? Then conclusion is what here, not x is equal to e power z. What is this? 1 plus x is equal to e power z. Z is equal to log of 1 plus x. And another one topic is that simultaneous equations, the whole unit is completed. This problem you can try. And this what you will do, same thing. But what you will get? 2x plus 3d square is equal to what? 2 square into d dash into d dash. X quotient plus only, no problem. 2x plus d is equal to what? 2 into d dash you will get. Now here what you will substitute? 2x plus 3 is equal to e power z. Z is equal to what? Log of 2x plus 3. So here carefully connect. E power 2x with 2z plus something will get that can carefully can try this. Yes. Then next we're going to do simultaneous differential equation. Next class I will do. After this you can do. Today I will send the notes also for all this PDF. Okay, now I can leave.
Understood, sir.
Okay.